What did you say, JD? What did you say? And we're going to be completely quiet, and we were being so chatty. Can you talk? What do you see? 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 Do you see a ball? See a ball? A ball? Yes. Love the ball. You see Dexter up in the chair, don't you? I know. He's sleeping, but you're up. Where are your piggies? Really? Dexter, yeah. There's Dexter. There he is. He's Night-Night. He's Night-Night. Yeah. Okay. Say bye-bye, JD. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.